Hi and welcome to another how-to video from us here at AST Limited, home of the Fastime stopwatches range. In this video we'll be showing you how our Fastime RS808 works. The Fastime RS808 is one of our economy stopwatches designed for simplicity and ease of use. The split reset button we will refer to as button A, the mode button we'll refer to as button B, and the start-stop button we'll refer to as button C. If your stopwatch isn't already in stopwatch mode, just press B until you are at this screen. If the counter is already running, press C to stop and A to reset. Press C to start. Press C again to stop. This is timeout, which is a basic but essential feature that allows you to temporarily pause the stopwatch during an event and then continue timing from exactly where you left off. Press C again to continue and again to stop, then A to reset. Press C to start the stopwatch. Press A to get your split cumulative time. Press A again to release and continue timing your event. Press C to stop. When you're finished, press A to reset. This is a specialized mode to capture the finish times of two competitors simultaneously. Press C to start. Press A to stop. Then press C to stop. This is the time of the first competitor. Press A, and this is the time of the second competitor. Press A again to reset. Press B to switch between stopwatch and time of day display. Hold C to display month, date and day. Hold A to display alarm. Hold A, then press C to set the alarm on or off. Press B 3 times to enter the set mode. Press A to select the digits. And press C to change the digits. Seconds will reset to 0. Hold C for rapid digit change. And press B to return to the time of day display. Press B 2 times to enter set mode. Press A to select the digits. Press C to change the digits. And press B to return to the time of day. And that's the Fastime RS808. We've included a link to the downloadable instructions in the description box below, and you can also contact us via our website if you have any queries. Thanks for watching.